In this video, I'll walk you through how to update your Access server to the latest version. The easiest and most reliable way to do this is by using the installation script from the Access server portal. But if you'd rather not use the script, there are other options like upgrading manually with apt or yum. Just remember, if you go the manual route, you'll need to make sure any held packages are taken care of properly. If you want to read through the steps, head over to openvpn.net. Click on Resources, then Access Server Documentation, and from the menu on the left, Expand Administration and click on Upgrading. Before you get started, it's really important to back up your settings. Also, double check that your server and connected clients are compatible with the new version. In this video, we're focusing on using the installation script. If you're interested in upgrading with a package manager, check out the instructions on this page. Our Access server is currently running version 2.14.3. As you can see, we already have users, groups, and some other settings configured. All right, let's start by backing up our settings. If you follow the backup instructions, you'll see a few commands that need to be run. I've already got an SSH session open, so I'll just copy and paste them here. Once the backup is complete, you'll find all the files ending in .back in the user local openvpn_as directory. These files contain all the unique data for your Access server setup. You can even use them to restore your server later, including to a newer version, since we try to keep things backward compatible. Now that we've got a backup, let's upgrade using the installation script. Sign into your Access server portal. Click Install Access Server and copy the bash install command. Connect to your server console. I'm still using my SSH session here. Make sure you have root privileges. Paste the command and run it. Once the script runs, here's what to expect. You'll see Welcome to the OpenVPN Access Server installation script. The script automatically detects your Linux version and the Access server version you're running. If your installation is pinned, the script will ignore that just for the upgrade and repin it afterward. It'll also check for OpenVPN DCO and install or update that if needed. Just let the script finish doing its thing. When it's done, go ahead and reboot the server to apply the update. If everything went smoothly, your Access server should now be fully updated with all existing settings preserved. Accept the license agreement and let's check our users and user groups. And here they are. And now our Access server is running version 3.00. That's it. This is how you upgrade your Access server.